Who says a stylish retro motorcycle has to be expensive? Honda has just surprised the market with the new Wuyang Honda CGX150, a classic-inspired bike that looks like a premium custom machine, but costs less than many scooters. At first glance, the CGX150 carries strong vintage vibes, with styling that reminds many riders of the legendary Honda GB250 Clubman. It features a slim fuel tank, flat bench seat, round headlight, chrome megaphone exhaust, and timeless café racer proportions. But the biggest shock is the price. In China, the CGX150 is priced at around 1,400 US dollars, making it one of the cheapest retro motorcycles Honda has released in years. Despite the affordable price, this bike is built for real-world riders. Seat height is only around 29 inches, making it beginner-friendly and easy to handle. Weight is approximately 275 pounds, which means light maneuverability in traffic and city riding. Power comes from a 149 cubic centimeter, air-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 12 horsepower and 12.5 newton-meters of torque. It's not built for racing, but for fuel efficiency, low-end torque, and comfortable everyday riding. The bike also comes with a 5-speed transmission, perfect for city commuting and relaxed weekend cruising. Even more impressive, Honda added modern feature to this retro package. Depending on the version, riders get smartphone connectivity, trip tracking, parked bike locator, front ABS, and spoke wheels with tubeless tires. That means the CGX150 delivers old-school style with modern convenience. For beginner riders, urban commuters, or anyone wanting an affordable classic motorcycle, the Honda CGX150 could be one of the smartest budget bikes of 2026. Now the big question is, if Honda brought the CGX150 to the USA, would it become a bestseller? With rising prices in the motorcycle market, many new riders are searching for something simple, lightweight, affordable, and stylish. The CGX150 checks all those boxes, and it could become a perfect first bike for younger riders or daily commuters. And if Honda ever decides to launch this model globally, competitors in the small retro segment may have a serious problem, because finding this much style and value at such a low price is becoming almost impossible today.